Before we start, I'm Engineer Ken, the CEO of this company. And you're here because I'm interviewing you for your job if you are qualified for our company. Okay, let's start. I have here some questions for you to answer. First, tell me about yourself. Hi, sir. I'm Ken Berahowit, a recent graduate from Partido State University in Karamoan with a degree of BET or Bachelor of Engineering Technology, major in Mechanical Engineering Technology with the specification of Automotive Technology. I am a simple person who wants to do anything but in a good way, just to fulfill my dreams in life. What do you think are your strengths and weaknesses? My strengths include being honest, self-motivated, and being highly adaptable and quick learn new things, which allow me to adjust accordingly to my workplace. Also, my greatest strength is my family because of their never-ending support, and also God because of His presence give me confidence on this day. As for my weakness, I sometimes have social anxiety which I can communicate to them properly. Also, I trust people properly without knowing their personality. And my greatest weakness is when someone doesn't appreciate my efforts. How do you see yourself 5 years from now? 5 years from now, I see myself still growing and learning within this company. I would like to see myself as a successful employee in this organization, making more responsibility and potentially leading a team. I am very excited to work towards that goal while contributing to the success of the company. What can you contribute to our company? As a fresh college graduate, I can contribute fresh ideas and be a role model for my fellow workmates to make a better contribution to the company. Also by getting a good performance, passion, dedication to the position or task that given to me, and ensure them that I will give my fun potential of work as much as possible I can contribute in your company. And lastly, why should we hire you? You should hire me because I believe that this company is looking for a good team player that can bring success in this company. Although I don't have any experiences, but my knowledge is fit for this job I'm applying for. I may be a fresh graduate, but I know myself that I can do whatever the task is using the combination of my knowledge and academic experiences. Thank you for your answers, and we will call you immediately when you are passed with this interview. Thank you, sir.